Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix speaker not working on your OPPO Find X9 Pro. So, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go over to the settings, and here in the settings, let's go over to the sound and vibration. Now, here we want to check the volume levels if everything's correct, and as you guys can see, my volume levels are okay. Now, if your volume levels are okay and the speaker is still not working, then what you guys can do is try cleaning the speaker grills. So here we have it at the bottom. Now we want to be gentle with it. We want to use a soft brush, and we don't want to use anything metallic because we can only damage them even more, and we definitely do not want it. Now, what you guys can do next is make sure that Bluetooth is disabled to make sure that audio is not rerouted anywhere else. So my Bluetooth is already turned off, but when I turn it on, I will see my device name and available devices. So we definitely want to disable it so we see nothing and that the switch is gray. Now, in this way, we made sure that audio is not being rerouted to any headphones, car system, or practically anything Bluetooth related. Now after that, what you guys can do is, as a last resort, update your software. So updating your software can fix a lot of glitches, including this one. And to update it, we need to scroll all the way down in the settings, go to the system and update, and then click software update right up top. Here, as you guys can see, my version is up to date, so that means I'm running the latest version of the software. But if you see the button to update it to a newer version, then make sure to hit the button and make sure to install it on your device as fast as possible. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.